Hello everybody, this is Marta here on YouTube. Today I am in my car. Well, yeah, in my car. I'm waiting for my mom to get here, so I decided to do the intro for this video that I completely forgot to do when I filmed it. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I organize my bag when I have to go to work. I show you how I clean it, how I organize it, a lot of the products that I use, the brands and stuff like that. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, then keep on watching. So basically, this is my Suka bag. This is the one that I take on trips whenever I need to do makeup and stuff like that. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I organize it and how I kind of clean it up as well. This is my Suka bag. This was given to us by our cinema makeup school. If you guys don't know about cinema makeup school, you are missing out if you want to be a makeup artist or a special effects artist. So this was given. Makeup Forever, I think in that moment, was the sponsor, so we got that. This is what I use to clean it. These are the Lysol disinfecting wipes. This scent specifically is lemon and lime blossom. So this is, okay, if I can get it out. This is normally, I still don't understand these things, so I just start. Show you guys. See all the kind of dirt and makeup. It's mostly makeup, not really dirt. Okay, so I just showed you guys how I disinfect that. Now we're gonna do the same with one of these Suka bags, transparent bags. I forget the name of them. So basically you take everything out, and with the disinfecting wipes, like we did before, you are just gonna clean it out. This is a good idea to do all the time, every time you go to a job, simply because it looks more professional when things are clean than when they are dirty. And also, if I see a makeup artist with a very dirty bag, I will probably not hire them ever again in their life. So like that, you know, it's clean. This one is stained. It has marker stains on it. So just like that. Make sure you're clean here in the corners, because that's where it gets the most amount of dirt. Eyeshadow, pigments, whatever it is that you use, it normally goes in there. Especially if something breaks, because a lot of things have broken in here. So I normally do this on the way I'm gonna do the makeup, but backwards from what? Okay, so I normally do this the way backwards. Instead of, I normally start with foundation and stuff like that. So foundation is gonna be the first thing on the top. So how I do organize this is from the last thing to the first thing that I do. So the last thing that I do are lips. So in this one, I have all of my lip thingies, or most of them. So I got a Vosette palette of lipsticks here. I got MAC thingies, palette in here, MAC liners. I normally have an exfoliator and a conditioner for the lips. I don't have it right now because I didn't need it in my last job, but normally I do have it. So that's the first thing that goes in here, and it fits perfectly at the bottom. So I got that. Then the second to last thing that I do are lashes, eyebrows and stuff like that. This is one of the last things that I do. I don't know why, I just do. And I got some pigments in here, some toppers and stuff like that. So I have it here. Then I got blushes, bronzers, highlighters, contours, and stuff like that. So that goes there. I got eyeshadow palettes in here, in this one, in this big one. I have Tartelette eyeshadows, Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I got MAC, Too Faced. I got pretty much all the eyeshadows that I normally use in here. Last but not least, the foundation. So I got my foundation palettes. These foundations are from Kryolan Foundations, concealers and stuff like that. I got MAC foundations, MAC concealers, more MAC concealers, powders and stuff like that. So I got those in there. Is that it? The palette goes in. And this just gives me a dividing space here. So here is how things go. After that, I either put my brushes in here. My brushes are dirty right now, so I'm not gonna put them in there. It has a little pouch in here. So in this pouch, I normally take my makeup remover wipes and any kind of small thing. So my Urban Decay, this sleek spray, that type of thing. And also put little Ziploc baggies with my hair stuff. So I got clips, more clips, and bobby pins and stuff like that. So all of those go up there. Unless I have more things here building up, those go in there. For this, which are the hair products, I have them here. So I got Preta Powder by Bubble and Bumble. I got Extra Strength Freeze Ease by John something. Where are my other things? I feel like I'm missing out on something. Oh, my thingies. I forget how this is called, but these thingies as well, I put them here. A few other things that I put in here are the hairspray and the hair straightener. Hair stuff goes in here. And one other thing that you as a makeup artist have to, like, need to have is this is a toothpaste and a toothbrush. This is very important, especially because you are a makeup artist. You are gonna be in somebody's face all day, so that in there. So totally forgot, I also have my Tangle teaser. I normally put it there if I'm doing a job where I have to brush a lot of hair. If not, this goes with me in my purse. I'm always having, I always have that on hand. And I also take a little bottle with 99 or 96% alcohol, because that's how I disinfect brushes, highlighters, palettes, and everything like that. So it goes in there. And that's pretty much how it goes. And then we just roll it out. Those are the things that I put if I have a I have to do a job as a makeup artist. With my brushes would normally be in there. You guys, that is it for this video. It's super simple. There's really not a lot to it, but a lot of you guys have asked for this video before, so I finally did it. And if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up, because even when I'm sick, I'm still doing this. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me out a lot. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye!